discuss more about Gymnema Sylvestre?
Yeah, Gymnema, we call it
Gymnema, okay.
I call it Gymnema, you call it Gymnema, it doesn't matter. So, Gymnema Sylvestre, we use it for diabetes, and the name in Indian language is Gurmar in Hindi.
Gurmar.
Gur is jaggery. The name for jaggery in India, or the sweet thing, brown sweet thing from sugarcane, that is called gur.
Okay.
So we eat gur after the meals as a dessert. So mar means killing.
So it's killing.
So it is killing the sweetness, even of the gur, even of that jaggery. So it is powerful anti-diabetic herb. It is a climber. It is small twine. It's a creeper, and it is the leaves we are using of this Gymnema. And Gymnema leaves, they are made into extract. I make the extract, and then we use the extract into capsules. And extract has gymnemic acids, the active compounds. So when we eat those extracts, and then all the food items which are having a lot of sugar in it, they get stick to the gymnemic acids. So they don't go inside the blood. So that sugar levels, they are down. So that is one way of how it is working. That is one way. And secondly, Gymnema is very bitter. And all the bitter herbs, when their juice goes into the blood, they bring down the sugar levels. They also activate the beta cells of the pancreas, and this way they are working from their prabhav or from their effect on the pancreas. So two ways of action of Gurmar. One is just stopping down the sugar to go into the blood, and second is to activate the pancreas to produce more insulin so that the diabetes can be controlled. So this way Gymnema is useful in diabetes, and not only in diabetes, we can also use it in weight loss. So in weight loss also, when the carbohydrates are not going in the blood, and similarly way the people will start losing weight. But I would recommend that people who are having a lot of weight, they should avoid packaged food, they should avoid drinking a lot of juices, packaged juices, because they are full of sugars. There is nothing else in there are no fruits, there are nothing. If you want to eat fruit, just eat fruit. Don't drink juices of the fruits, or they are full of sugar, artificial flavors and sugars. And also your body is made by nature, just like animals. We are animals, we don't need to eat these packaged food and junk food. So the junk food is the leading cause of all these obesity, diabetes and cancers and all such problems which we are facing nowadays. So avoid junk. Everybody is now aware that we should avoid junk, but people still consume. So that is wrong. So previously people were not aware. In the 90s and the beginning of 21st century, people were just consuming all the soft drinks and they were not aware. But now everybody knows this is not good, but still they take it. So I would advise all the parents to not to give biscuits or the chips to their children.
So we go back to that how to lose the weight. You are saying, well, you need to adjust what you eat, and then Gymnema might help also somehow to lose the weight.
It helps a lot. It not only helps it helps. It definitely helps. And I can combine it with other herbs like curcuma. Curcuma is also heating. Gymnema is also heating, improving the metabolic rate. So when your metabolic rate is more and you're burning more calories, even with little bit of exercise. Just you give me 10 minutes, I give you 5 minutes extra by giving you Gymnema. So if you are improving your rate, if you take the rate to 10, I take the rate to 15 by giving you Gymnema and curcuma. So, and Garcinia. Garcinia is another wonderful herb it is popular all over lot in America, in Europe also. So heard from South India, the fruit is there. So Gymnema I combine with Garcinia for weight loss, and with fenugreek for diabetes.
And if we go back to this diabetes, is it safe also for patients who are already taking internal insulin, external insulin, I mean?
Yes, slowly their dosage will reduce, and slowly it is safe. It is not like that you are taking insulin and then you are taking Gymnema.
And then your sugar level goes down?
No, it doesn't work like that. It is a natural compound. Gymnema is not insulin. Gymnema is not some chemical. It is from nature. It goes inside the body. As soon as it goes inside the body, it sensitizes the cells, the pancreatic cells, to release the insulin, which as much as it is required. So slowly, when it senses that the sugar level is high, it sensitizes the pancreas to release more insulin in the blood. So that way, slowly, it brings down the sugar level.
So if the patients are checking their sugar level in the blood, and they will see that they don't need so high dose of insulin, and they can lower it?
Slowly, step by step. Not immediately. Step by step, by 2 points, by 1 point, 2 point, they can reduce after every 3 days, 4 days, and 1 week. This way.
But they still have to be checking the
sugar. They should be checking the sugar levels. And they can combine it with fenugreek also, and curcumin also. Karela is wonderful. Karela capsule I am using for diabetic patients in India. So Karela is also bitter gourd, bitter plant. The fruit of that plant I am using. Charantin is a Mordica charantia, the name, and charantin is useful for beta cells stimulation. It is good. So I'm using it with Gymnema.
Okay.
So it's good.
Talking about Gymnema is weight loss and diabetes.
Weight loss, diabetes, and good for the digestive system also. It is also bitter, so bitters can be good for all the pitta problems also. So anything can be mixed with giloy for pitta problems. So, but mainly I'm using for weight loss and diabetes. So it's good for weight loss and diabetes.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.